friends, I am Sajjan. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Oneplus 7 Pro, guys. So recently, I bought the Oneplus 7 Pro device. So this is my first high-end device which I am purchased Oneplus 7 Pro. So I'll be doing a lot of comparison videos with the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So right now I'm recording using the Redmi K20 Pro device. So even I'll be doing the comparison videos between the Realme X. So you have the device and the fast charging adapter 30 watts. So in the future I'll be doing the charging test comparison between the Realme X phone as well, so which has a work charge 3.0. so you got the cable as well, and you also get the free case, so which is of transparent, so you can see, guys. So in the future I'll be doing a lot of comparison reviews between the Redmi K20 Pro and the Oneplus 7 Pro device. So even the fingerprint speed test between the Realme X and a lot of other comparison videos going to come, guys, in the future. So even I'll be planning to do a comparison videos between the Realme X device and the Oneplus 7 Pro. I know it's not a fair comparison, but still we'll be comparing the display quality of the Realme X with the high-end phone Oneplus 7 Pro. Even with the fingerprint speed test, guys, in the future I'll be doing a lot of tests like this, even with the Face ID. So stay tuned, guys, for more interesting videos and comparison reviews between the Realme X and the Redmi K20 Pro. So meanwhile, check the links in the description for the playlist which contain full videos of the Realme X device and the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So if you have any queries regarding the Oneplus 7 Pro, so do let me know, guys. And I'm very happy after using the Oneplus 7 Pro, guys. I feel like very fast because of the 90 Hz display here, and this is a 12 GB RAM variant with a 256 GB inbuilt storage, as you can see here. So you can see, guys, Snapdragon 855 and 12 GB RAM variant. So this will be a lot faster than the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So that's it, guys. It's a quick review of the unboxing of the Oneplus 7 Pro. So in the future I'll be doing a lot of videos on the Oneplus 7 Pro, guys. Stay tuned for that. So subscribe to my channel, guys. In the next video, bye.